In today's video, you're going to learn how to make money on Clickbank, and this is going to be for beginners with zero or with very little experience, okay? And so in this presentation, you will learn how to make money on Clickbank without a website, without any experience, without spending your entire life savings on useless courses and trainings, without having made a cent online ever, with 100% free tools. Watch this presentation. You're going to learn with enough practice and determination, you're going to be able to see results that resemble something like this. Now, remember that results aren't typical and they do require lots and lots of hard work. And so, first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Okay. We get paid when we recommend a product and another person buys it. We don't need to build our own products or services. This is a huge bonus. And here we have a diagram, okay? We have a visitor. They're basically coming from a traffic source. And in the middle, we have a website. We have some tools, brands, something to create engagements, okay? And after that, they click on our affiliate link and they hopefully go to the merchant and they buy the product or service, and then we get paid. And so the method that I'm going to be showing you right now is a foolproof method that works very well using free tools, and we're going to be doing a little bit of spying, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And so the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to a site called cbengine.com, and this is a really nice site for browsing different offers, okay? And so I can basically go into different categories here, and I don't really have a lot of these options when it comes on the main Clickbank site. I have a lot of these categories. I can basically browse around. And you want to find an offer that you want to convert. It all starts with the offer. And so I already have an offer in mind. I want to promote this offer right here. I want to promote text chemistry. But you can pretty much promote any offer that you want. It's really up to you. And what you want to do is you want to click on this Get Affiliate link. And you want to enter your Clickbank ID. So if you enter that, you have text chem, you have your Clickbank nickname. You want to click on Create a Hop Link. And when you do that, you're going to have a domain name. And so this part right here is the Clickbank ID. This domain suffix is basically available to everybody. And so we're going to go out and we're going to see what sites are making money with this offer and how we can basically mimic their success. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go into Uber Suggest and you want to type the name of this hop link. Okay, Uber Suggest has a free plan, so you're going to be fine using this free plan. You're going to go into SEO Analyzer, you're going to go into backlinks, and you're going to type this suffix. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a picture of what sites are linking to this one, right? We want to see what sites are linking first of all. And that means which sites are really promoting it, right? So if I scroll down, I basically see that this domain name has 29,000 backlinks, right? And 442 referring domains, right? So there's a lot of people promoting it. And you basically have a list of these sites. And what we want to figure out is how much traffic these sites are getting. And if so, if they're getting decent traffic, we want to figure out where they're getting their traffic from, so we can basically create the same strategy. And we also want to see what their landing page looks like, right? There's a lot of data we want to learn. We want to figure out a lot of interesting things. So what you want to do is you want to click on Export to CSV, and that's going to basically create an Excel spreadsheet. So basically I did that. I downloaded it into my Excel spreadsheet. This is what it looks like right now. This is basically the entire list. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to this site called SEOreviewtools.com, and you want to choose Website Traffic Checker. And you basically want to start putting in domain names that you basically gotten here, okay? And you'll be able to see there's a lot of interesting, all of these sites that we basically downloaded in the previous step. They basically have links to this text chemistry offer, and they're basically promoting it. So we want to see their traffic profile. We want to see where they're getting their traffic from, etc., etc. And after basically doing this step, I found this site that looks like a pretty legit site. And this is Great Life Zone. It's actually greatlifezone.com, and the name of the page is Reasons Why Married Men Fall in Love with Other Women. Okay, and this is written by this person here, and you can basically scroll around. And actually, this page, it gets a decent amount of traffic, and it's basically promoting that offer. And so you're gonna find this offer. Actually, this site promotes multiple offers, right? And you cannot see that right now because they're blocking it. What you want to do is you want to right click and you want to do view source, and then you want to basically search for text scam. And when I do that, I see this text scam links here. Okay, and this is ladies, do men ignore your messages, right? And this is one kind of, this is called the text here. Ladies, do men ignore your messages? And what you want to do is you want to go back and you want to search for this. And here's the link. This is what they're promoting. And when I hover over it, I see that they're promoting text scam with their Clickbank ID. Ladies, do men ignore your messages? Okay. Now, what I want to know is, how is the site getting traffic? What kind of keywords are they using? What are they doing? Things like that. And for that, you can basically go back to Uber Suggest, and you can type this domain name in the top pages, and you're gonna see their pages here. So if I type this domain name here, I basically have a list of their top pages, okay? And so this is the second page here, and I can basically do view all, and I can see what kind of keywords they're basically ranking for. And chances are these keywords are not going to be very high competitive keywords, okay? And so now we understand that this site is promoting that offer. It's getting a decent amount of traffic, and it's also getting this traffic via these keywords, okay? And so here's a keyword: married man falling in love, love of married man quotes, why married man falls in love with another woman. All of these keywords, this page was essentially optimized for this keyword. And now I'm going to show you how you can do the same. But before that, I'm going to show you an amazing tool where you can basically mimic their landing page. And this works pretty much for any site, okay? This is something else to keep in your back pocket. What you want to do is you want to go into Google and you want to type website importer, okay? This is the first result here, site.pro. You want to open this site, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to be basically on this page right here, site.pro, and you want to go into website import. Once you do that, you're going to have this input field. You want to basically put that site that we're trying to mimic. We want to see what that site looks like in here. Once we do that, you basically, you press go. You're going to be, it's going to work for a little bit, and it's basically going to import the entire site. And here's what I recommend. The import is not going to be perfect. It's going to be pretty good. What you want to do is you want to delete a lot of things. You want to rework the site. You do not want to take the site as is, because there's going to be a lot of custom HTML. But the most important thing is right now, you can do that with any landing page that you have out there. You can basically import it here, and you can change it around. You can paraphrase it. You can change the theme. You can change anything that you want. So you're not starting from scratch. You're basically starting with an existing template. And this is very similar to basically going out and saving a page from Chrome or Safari or Firefox and having that HTML and then, modifying it as you see fit. Now, the beautiful thing about this specific method is that you don't need a website for this method. The next thing, all you need to do is basically click publish. You can save draft, you can back up and restore, you can preview it, and then you can basically click publish after you're done, and your site is ready to go. The only thing you have to change, obviously, is your affiliate link. Okay, you have to change your affiliate link. Now the site is ready. What's left is getting traffic to it. And how do you get traffic to it? Well, remember, we already know the keywords that the site is ranking for, right? So if we go back to this site and we go into view all here, we're going to see the keywords it's ranking for. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go into Fiverr, and you can basically get a cheap gig where you're going to get somebody for a very low price be able to optimize your site. They're basically going to create content that's ranking for these keywords, and they're going to be basically linking to your site. So Fiverr is one option. Another option is SEO Clerks. You can basically go to SEOclerks.com, and you are going to be able to find people that are gonna build backlinks for you. And that's what you're doing. You're looking for people to do link buildings, right? Because your site needs links in order for it to rank for certain keywords. Of course, you can't create this website yourself. You can basically write content that's designed for these kind of keywords that site is ranking for. But in my opinion, if you can go to Fiverr, I have used Fiverr before. I have bought gigs, SEO gigs, and they definitely did help out. They will be able basically to create content that's very similar to the keywords that other site is ranking, and they're going to create content, and then they're going to basically go out and link to your published website, and you're going to be able to, in Google's eyes, you're going to be viewed as more authoritative than some of the other sites. And so I recommend Fiverr. Fiverr is a general purpose site where you can get, all kinds of work done, including SEO stuff. SEO Clerks is only about SEO, and what you're looking for is link building. You're going to go to the first category here, you're going to click on it, and you can basically do link building, right? Here's a package for $45, here's $5, 100% reviews, here's $20, 100% reviews. It's up to you. Here's $15, 100% review, $8,130, and this is an option that you can do that works fairly well. At least in my experience, I have had good success with. And so that is the method that you're looking for, right? Remember, guys, you want to start with CB Engine because you can basically review any kind of offer very, very easily, and you can kind of figure out what kind of offers you want to promote. I have experience with self-help, and so in my mind, it's going to be a lot easier for me to promote self-help offers, obviously. So I can basically go out and start typing the name of the offer. If you already know the kind of offer you want to promote, you can go in here. If not, you can go into best gains, you can go into top gravity, you can go into recurring, good recurring offers. You can take a look. Remember, you always want to be looking at gravity. You do not want to promote offers with a sky high gravity, but you definitely do not want to promote offers with a very, very low gravity. So text chemistry, I believe it has a gravity of, let's take a look. It has a gravity of 68, which in my opinion is a good kind of sweet spot because it's higher than, like, let's say 20, and it's lower than something like 150, because anything above 150, anything above 200 is very, very competitive. There's a lot of affiliates promoting it. There's a lot of affiliates making money with it. It's getting very, very competitive. And so it's up to you. I personally like to fly under the radar. And so in my opinion, this is a really good approach. If you don't like self-help, you can basically go into, you can promote keto diet, right? 322 gravity. You can scroll down. There is manifestation, bioenergy, $1.50 EPCs. There's a lot of things that you can promote. And what we are looking for is we're basically looking for sites that are getting organic traffic that are being ranked by but not so competitive keywords. The beautiful thing about this method is if you look at these keywords, these are not commercial keywords, right? They don't have review in the title. They don't have the name of the product in the title. They're not comparing different products, right? Those keywords are a lot harder to rank for. It's a lot easier to rank for keywords such as these ones that are very general keywords. They're not very specific. It's a lot easier to rank for these kinds of keywords. And so it's going to be faster to rank than if you're trying to rank for more commercially based keywords. And so this method is 100% free. You can create free content. You can have it hosted for free. You can do your research using this generous free plan. And then you can maybe add a little bit of money if you want to grow it faster. It's really up to you. And so that is all that I want to cover in this method. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. There's lots of moving pieces here, lots of different tools that are at your disposal that you can basically start using. So I really hope you enjoyed this method. Let me know below in the comments what you thought about this method. Like the video, and in some of the future videos, I'm going to be mentioning different niches that you can basically cover with this method. If you want me to make a video about a different niche, definitely leave it below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.